bang pwedeng kalawangin ang balat mo? Hi, I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a cosmetic chemist and certified naturopath, bridging science and nature for your skin. Narinig mo na ba ang free radicals? At ano ang ginagawa nito sa ating skin? Free radicals are unstable molecules galing sa UV rays, pollution, stress, and even poor lifestyle. Para silang kalawang na unti-unting sumisira sa skin cells mo that break down collagen, leading to wrinkles, dark spots, and dullness. Buti na lang may panlaban, and that is antioxidants. Think of them as kalaban ng kalawang. They neutralize free radicals before they can cause damage. Some of the most powerful antioxidants are vitamin C, vitamin E, green tea, and copper tripeptide. They boost collagen and shield skin from oxidative stress. Kaya kung ayaw mong kalawangin ang balat mo, use serums or creams with antioxidants. They fight free radicals and keep your skin brighter, firmer, and younger looking. If you want to learn how to formulate your own antioxidant-packed skincare, join my 2-day professional hands-on training this November 14 and 15. Limited to 20 students lang. Type formulation in the comments below to secure your spot.